Finding the courage to change. Ask and it is given. One of the most important ideas in the Bible is ask and it is given. We appear to be really good at asking. All desire is a type of asking. I'm asking for something better all day, every day. My teachers tell me that when I ask, it is given. Source energy always says yes. So why don't I have everything I desire? Why do bad things happen to me? I'm asking and Source is giving, but something is stopping the receiving. What? As usual, I'm the one creating my own problems. I notice two patterns that block the flow of good and well-being from Source. These are unworthiness and negative focus. First, I don't seem to be very good at receiving good. I feel unworthy and will reject a gift that I really want. That's not mine, I will think. Or I discount the value that I bring to others. I'm nothing special. These negative thoughts have the effect of pushing away the plate of food that I'm starving to eat. Next, I frequently ignore the good that I do have. Like a child, I'm focused on what I don't have. My parent has delivered 1,000,000 toys, and all I can see is that I don't have the one thing that I'm thinking about right now. There is abundance all around me, and all I can think about is my big problem. Today, I'm learning to get into the receptive mode. I know that my prayers are answered. I can relax and enjoy the process of watching the miracle in progress. Now what, universe? I'm also remembering to be grateful for all the good I can see around me. I can relax and enjoy the parade of good. My miracle is out there, and it's coming my way.